that the one that is he a year older than us?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm mad about this now.
You know the other thing?
Yeah. Going forward, right?
Yeah, he was fast as shit.
Yeah.
Next station, Blue
remember him as the fastest
Blue
guy.
Station.
Yeah.
Transfer to line 2,
Was he
Lower
mixed?
Danforth. Doors
I ain't
will
gonna
open
lie,
on the right.
No, we can sit right in the road.
They were different.
Yeah. I don't know what he looks like, bro. I remember his brother.
I think he's light skinned or Egyptian.
I remember his brother can't like pull anyone he wanted. Or his brother.
Oh yeah,
Really
his
good.
brother. I forgot his brother.
Yeah, me neither.
Arriving at Blue Young Station. Transfer to line 2, Lower Danforth. Doors will open on the right. Please stand clear of the doors.
What do you think that says?
Are you?
I'll tell you the first one's at N.
And the T is an N?
No, the first
Oh.
one's at N. What's that? What's that?
Next station, Rosedale Station. Right.
Yo, would you crack this? Look, no.
I never thought that, but I never thought
Yeah, how do you think God people are fast?
So try one last time, then we need to do it. There, bro. Wait, you want to try that one over? You want to try that one over, right?
Arriving at Rosedale Station. Doors will open on the right.
Let me do the first time.
You after this is if you just go chill at the movie theater. Free Wi-Fi.
Alright. Go. Bro, I don't know how. You're so like. Not Wi-Fi so bad. It's hard, right?
I was trying to watch the Traffic video. Bro, literally, it shows. No, I don't have it. It shows like the blood pouring out of his neck.
Yeah. Wait, no. Didn't you like.
Please stand clear of the
So
doors.
when it's cold, you have to like put it on it.
Video of Charlie Kirk on
Live.
Philippines.
Why do you want to watch that?
Because I'm like one of the only ones in the world that has it.
That's not true.
So I downloaded it.
I used to.
That was-
I had it.
Wait, they deleted it? They deleted it after you
Yeah,
downloaded
no,
it?
they did.
Everyone deleted it.
I think they deleted all the videos.
Why would they not censor it? Of course they does.
Next station, Summerhill Station. Doors will open on the right.
Y'all look so good.
Yo, just mute fun skits.
Yo, Todd is in that group chat with you?
Yeah.
Bro, Tom is fast.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
You met Todd?
Yeah, I've seen it before.
Arriving
I
at
don't, I was like,
Summerhill Station. Doors will open on
Like
the right.
your cheeks like go in.
yeah, it goes in, it's fat.
It's all genetics.
It's fat. See what that short Mexican kid? That looks like the red glasses guy.
He is not apologies.
He does. They go in up here. It's fat.
Oh. You said that one kid from Charlie Kirk.
Yeah.
There's not one guy at our school. There's not one guy at our school.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Like, the one when he fell and helped you up. That guy's tough. Is he not performing?
Oh, does he have like an Indian girlfriend?
No, not him.
You remember when Adar threw me onto the floor?
Yeah, that's exactly why. He helped me. He Yeah.
I didn't see him. I was
He looks like this guy.
Next station, St. Clair. St. Clair Station. Doors will open on the right.
Exactly like this guy.
Bro, lights. I would be like skin. Yo, if you could be
Asian or
race,
something.
what would you be?
I'd be Asian.
I would be light skin.
I'd be probably light skinned then.
I'd be light skinned. Yeah, no, light skinned. Then I'm athletic.
Yeah, I would run out like Asians are good, but like, bro, wait.
Full
Asian,
dark is like
light skin is over.
light skinned. Like full dark is
You look good, you look good.
light skinned and
Light skinned usually suits your eyes' skin.
I'm more light skinned.
No, you're light skinned. You look good.
Arriving at
Nah, I look
St. Clair.
Yeah.
St. Clair Station. Doors will open on the right.
When's our stop? Bro, we have like 10 more stops.
You see that? That's the red thing.
Oh,
Gotta roll up to second.
Our second last.
One way to go now.
Yo, which one are we at right now? Oh,
Please stand clear of the
we're
doors.
at Davisville.
I see clear.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it actually dropped.
I don't know which sleep this weekend or something. I don't know why, bro. I went to sleep at 11:30. No, 10:40
Next station,
on Friday.
Davisville.
Woke up
Davisville
on
Station.
Saturday at
Doors
7
will open on the right.
That's
My
exactly
body-
what happened
My
yesterday.
body just was like this, and I was like they wrapped my blanket like that, and I was sleeping on a different pillow than I usually sleep on.
Or you know my bed broke?
Yeah, it's been broken.
So I sleep on like a couch that's half my side.
Wait, what? Really broke?
Yeah. Like the middle piece just like fell. So my mattress is like that.
Here's our game.
It's this little white couch.
Can we go to your house?
No. Right here, this. This right here. The little couch.
North City.
Our city. I live in
Arriving at Davisville. Davisville Station. Doors will open on the right.
That's strange.
that song, honestly, I hate that song. The one that learned and stuff. Little band, little band, little band. And I'm on the stuff.
Did you buy any?
No.
Got a picture online. Downloaded it.
Bro, why isn't it sending, bro? My dad's gonna take us somewhere. Zane. Bro, why? He's dark skinned. So?
Please stand clear of the doors.
No, he's just like your standard like Arab with the curly hair.
Like Adam's brother?
He's like kind of
It's not
like
Arab.
Adam. Oh, like the long like twisty curly hair.
Huh? Long.
Twisty curly hair.
Next station, Eglinton. Eglinton Station. Transfer through line 5, Eglinton. Doors will open on the right.
I used it.
I use it.
North York used it.
Both in North
Lions used it.
Yeah.
He doesn't drive. He's already.
No, I mean his parents are out here, bro.
He's like a dog. Man, his hair's like this. How do you have girls on your best friend list? It's not like one.
I talked to you.
How many do you have?
I'm
what did young Taj reply to?
Arriving at Eglinton Station. Transfer to Free Line 5, Eglinton. Doors open on the left.
Lost my dad, but I forgot. Lost my feet, lost my shoes.
No, go to TikTok story. Go.
I'm on TikTok. No, chill, I'm not watching
No,
public stories.
watch.
It's not aura. It's not. They can see like something.
No, not public story. Like that's, you know what I mean?
No, we don't.
Oh, that stuff.
Door thin.